Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you landed on my YouTube page. So if you don't know me, my name is Olivia Heyward and I make all things pretty. I make handmade earrings and accessories on this channel. So you also get an opportunity to, get behind the scenes of how it is to run a small business. So I'm excited to have you here. And if you've been here, if you're part of that Also Pretty squad, then welcome, welcome, welcome back. All right, so let's get right into this video. I'm today going to be showing you exactly where I purchase all of my packaging from. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video if you find it very, very valuable. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. It really means a lot to the channel. I'm so excited to just be hitting past the 300 mark of subscribers. So I would love to get to 500 before Christmas. So if you think someone would find some value in this channel, go ahead and share this with any of your friends or small business owners, or people just love beautiful things or DIYs and things of that nature. I think this channel will be great for them. So make sure you share this channel, share this channel to a friend. Help me get to my goal of 500 by Christmas. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I shop for when I am packaging products is boxes. So just really depending on what type of products that you have to ship out, you can choose the size of your boxes. On this particular listing right here, they have a couple different sizes. I usually do 4x4x2 for my smaller earring boxes, so I can ship anywhere from 1 to about 4 pair of earrings in that box. And then for my bigger size box, I've been getting it's a 6x4, I believe, but I think next time I'm going to be going to the 6x4x2, just because I like how the width of the box. But yeah, the other size that I generally have is a 6x6x2. But I think I'm going to be going to 6x4x2 for my next lot of this size box. And then they go all the way up to 9x6x2 and then 11x8x2. So as you can see right here, they're actually priced pretty well for a 50 pack of boxes. So the larger boxes are $52, but if you saw the size that I get right here is $20 for that size. And let's see I think this size is like $40 for 50 packs. So just really depending on what you need. They also carry them without the stickers, which is actually $22. So it's cheaper to get them with a roll of stickers. And I think this last time I got them with a roll of stickers. I don't really use these stickers, but I just thought it's good to have, especially since I'm paying less for stickers. I can put them on something or use them for something. So yeah, this is the box that I generally, this is the listing that I usually use for my boxes. And I'll make sure I leave this in the description. So once I have my boxes, then I need tissue paper. So this is the listing. This is where I buy my tissue paper from. Amazon as well. You can get 96 sheets for only $9.86 for the particular color that I use. I think that sometimes you'll find that different colors cost different amounts, but I think the blush pink, all the colors are the same for this one. So I typically get the blush pink, and this is the 15x20, so it is slightly a smaller size than the tissue paper that you would get out of Target or even the Dollar Tree sometimes. They are wider. I think they're actually 20x20, but I actually prefer the slimmer sheet just because of the products that I ship. So just keep that in mind. This is like a slimmer sheet of tissue paper. So that is what I do next. And then the shred. It is crinkle cut paper shred that I typically use. You can get it on Amazon, the 1 pound bag for $15.99. Obviously, you guys know I do pink, but they offer a host of different colors: pinks, golds, whites, purples. For any reason, if sometimes I don't order it from here, then I also get it from the Dollar Tree as well. They're much smaller packages. Um, I think they're a dollar, but I mean, I would say that they're probably a little bit equal. The only problem with the Dollar Tree is sometimes they don't have the pink that I want. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. They always have different colors in the dollar store. So, if you want to be always have the same color, then you can order it from here. And this helps protect your products when you are shipping. So, that is that. Next, I have my cards and my stickers. So I use Zazzle for all of my earring cards, my business cards, my stickers. Sometimes I get my stickers from Zazzle's. I do custom stickers, but then I also print stickers on my thermal printer. So I'll show you which one I use for that next. But basically, you can go in here and you can really customize it to be what you want it to be. Let me see if I can go into my order. So yeah, my thank you cards, I get them from here. That is a new business card that I was just working on or I have. And let me see if I can go to my past orders. This is just in my sharpen cart. Okay, looks like I need to sign in. Okay. So let me go to my orders. Okay. So basically, yeah, I just go in here and I customize my card. So here are some stickers that I've ordered. Happy Mail, Goodie Mail. This is my old thank you cards, my business cards. So yeah, I just basically have ordered tons of different cards from here and I just design them how I want to. But the great thing about Zazzle is there are tons of designers who design all types of items, cards. So let's actually go to business cards. Um, nope, that's not what I want. Business supplies. There we go. Here we go. Business cards. So basically, there's a ton of different ones that are pre-designed. So you can typically use some of this, and you can even really customize these to your liking as well. So if you don't have a custom sign that you already designed, you can use something here and kind of go from there. I love that they have the mighty size cards, and this is actually what I use for my thank you cards and my earring cards. It's not a standard business card, it's a little thicker. So that's what I use. And then sometimes I use the square ones for like my studs and smaller earrings. I might sometimes put them on the square cards. But I typically use the mighty and then I use the mini sometimes as well. So those are the different card sizes that you can order in Zazzle. So that's where I get my cards and also I get my stickers from there as well. So the next thing that I would suggest that you have when you are in business and you have a product that you need to ship, the next thing is a mun bin printer, thermal printer. I love the thermal printers because they never run out of ink. As long as you have paper, they will print. Oh my gosh, my husband actually got this Munbin for me as a gift, and he got me the gray one, which guys, I was very sad because I told him to get me the pink one. He got me the gray one. I was very thankful, anyways. But come on now, y'all know I love my pink. So I definitely suggest getting a Munbin, if you have to ship orders, if you want to print unlimited stickers, like I said, all you have to do is buy the sticker and then you can print as many stickers. The one thing about the stickers with the Munbin is they only print black ink. So, you have to either get a colored sticker or, yeah, order your stickers from Zazzle if you want colored stickers. So, this is Munbin. I would definitely say get this. It works great. I love it. It is definitely a lifesaver, not to have to go to um, the post office. And then, secondly, if you do not know about this, I would say I'll tell you where I ship. If for some reason, if I have to ever ship something that's international, or if it's something that someone did not order on my website, I ship with Pirate Ship, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. But the last thing I want to show you, which is a part of my packaging, is my poly mailers. So I also get my poly mailers from Amazon as well, and they also come in 100. I love that everything I buy just about comes to the quantity of 100, so it's really easy to calculate how much each. Like I can order, 2 packs of boxes, a pack of polymailers, a pack of tissue paper, and know that okay, all of those things will kind of run out around the same time, so I can just kind of like re-up my order. But also it also lets you kind of keep easy track of like how much your packaging does cost, and we're going to break that down in a few, so you can make sure that whatever your price of goods, you're making sure you are adding the price of your shipping supplies to the price of your products, so you're not losing that, or that money isn't coming out of your profit. So I love Amazon. There's definitely companies out there that you can get poly mailers for a little bit cheaper, just depending on the quantity that you need. So if you know you're going to be shipping hundreds and hundreds of poly mailers, you might want to look into a little bit more of a bulk. But for me at the moment, spending about less than a quarter per bag is okay for my business model right now. So especially because you can get definitely, there's tons of different designs and different colorways that you can go with when it comes to poly mailers, unless you want to do something that's super custom. I say definitely you can look into that, but if you're looking for something just um, on brand, that you can find that something that's on brand for you and still very reasonable at 100 for less than 20 bucks, I think that's still very reasonable. Um, this is the place where you can check it out. So check on Amazon and just look for poly mailers. I'll actually drop my links for all the things that I purchase in the description bar for you, so you can have access to it as well. So these are the poly mailers. These aren't the particular ones I use, but this is, I'll put a couple different options for you guys. And then lastly, there is a company called Pirate Ship, and that's who I use to ship. If for some reason I'm not shipping through my website, Shopify, then this is what I use, Pirate Ship. And basically, it is a shipper that is no monthly fee, no hidden costs. You get the cheapest USPS shipping rates and the UPS shipping rates that are around. So I would definitely say look into this. It is definitely a lifesaver, especially for international shipping, um, because it could be crazy when you go to the actual stores to do international shipping. But you can definitely get a little break when it comes to Pirate Ship. So definitely check them out. Okay, so now that we've went through and I kind of showed you everything that I purchased for my packaging is so important to me because when people receive my products, I want them to feel like they're getting a gift, right? That they purchased themselves. So it's so important to me to really make sure everything is top of the line. And honestly, I don't even think I'm finished with, my packaging rollout. It's definitely some things that I want to add and some more customizations to my packaging, but this is where I've started. So Boxes at 100, we can get 100 for $39.98. For the tissue paper, we can get about 96 sheets for $9.86. For the shred, we can get about 2 pounds for $31.98. And then for the poly bags, we can get 100 for $14.99. Sometimes it ranges for these. They can be $14.99. Sometimes they can be a little bit higher or a little bit less, depending on which one you choose. The cards there at 100, you can get 100 for $24.99, and this was without a discount. I'll tell you about that in a few minutes. But that brings the total to $116.76, which means you're gonna spend about $1.16 per order. So I think that is pretty reasonable. The more custom you get, like if you get custom polys and custom boxes, that's obviously going to raise that price up. But yeah, that's about how much you're going to spend. And with that, that's no discount on the cards, which Zazzle sometimes offers. So just make sure you're on the lookout for that. Once you sign up for their email, it'll let you know whenever they have sales. As you can see right here, I'm actually using a plain white bag because this is whenever I ship 2 boxes in one bag, I have to use this larger one, and these are just the ones we had at the studio in the larger bags, but I actually do have printed bags now. So everything I use will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to leave you guys on a good note, throwing it back to the summer when I was cruising on Destin Beach. When I was going through my footage today, I found this footage and I was like, hey, I never got a chance to use this. So yeah, I had to pop this footage in. And if you are watching from TGIW, if you found my channel through that, thank you so much for coming over and watching. Hopefully you've watched all the shows tonight. Drop down in the comments and let me know if you watched everything.